You and your fellow senator rather from Oregon, Senator Ron Wyden, have been very vocal about the leaks on NSA surveillance. The breadth of those leaks, the scope of those, not leaks rather, but the surveillance. And I'm wondering if you see any stomach within the Senate for actually investigating, for actually delving into what the administration, what the Justice Department, what the FISA courts, and what the NSA are interpreting our existing laws, and if we're going to see transparency there, and if the Senate's going to help us get that.
Well, I certainly hope so. Uh, there is some evidence that that would be the case. For example, I proposed an amendment back in December that would have ended secret law. Now, the law consists of the simple language of the law plus a court's interpretation of that language.
Right.
But in this case, the court is secret and their interpretations are secret. And so we don't know exactly what the law means, which means it's secret. And if we want to really understand this, we can look at the plain language of Section 215 of the Patriot Act, which says that there are standards for collecting information on American citizens. That includes that the information has to be related or relevant to an authorized investigation. There has to be a statement of facts. There has to be a reasonableness standard. And so all that's in place, and yet over here in action on the ground, the outcome is all information being swept up by a powerful dragnet. So those are inconsistent. What stands in between is the FISA court's interpretation. Somehow they must have looked at those standards and interpreted black into white, or basically think of turning something 180 degrees. Well, that's not, how can you debate that in a democracy if people don't even know what the law means? So that's why I hope a lot of support will come forward to declassify the interpretations of law. If the president says he wants transparency, I applaud him for that. He says he wants a full debate of privacy and versus security. I applaud him for that. But to do that, we need to have the secret FISA interpretations of law declassified.
Absolutely. Thank you for your work on that.